Hi there, this is Tom. I'm Antonio, and we have recently moved to Rome, Italy, and we've just moved into our permanent place here. So in the next few weeks, we will be making this place our home. Ow! Our challenge is to make this apartment cozy, comfortable, relaxing, inviting, and above all, we wanted to look and feel as if we've been living here since forever. It's a rental, so we cannot change much, anything structural. And also, our previous apartment was 1/3 bigger, so we will have to adjust, to adapt, and eventually get rid of things, including some that might be very dear to us. So for that, we will study the best way to arrange what we already have, get rid of clutter, select the pieces that add interest to the place, find or make room to what we want to keep, but we can't find room for. And finally, we need to renew or repurpose what we already have in order to create a cohesive space. There will be some planning, some DIY, some recycling, tips on styling and organization, and we are going to do it all in a very limited budget. So if you are moving, decluttering, downsizing, or simply restyling your home, join us and you might find something that you can do to your own space. Sure, it will be fun. See you around. Oh. Oh. Yeah.